Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to return items or request a refund on Instacart. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Profile at the top of your screen. Then tap on Orders and choose the order that has the problem. Now tap on Report a problem or help. You will see a list of items from your order. Tap on the item you want help with. Choose the reason such as missing, damaged, wrong item or poor quality. Next, select what you want. Most of the time you can choose a refund or sometimes a replacement. You may be asked to answer a few questions or upload a photo of the item. Just follow the instruction on the screen. Once you submit the request, Instacart usually reviews it right away. Many refunds are approved instantly. Refunds are usually sent back to your original payment method. It may take a few hours or a few business days depending on your bank. And that's it. That's how to return items or request refund on Instacart. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.